Welcome back to our last class of the day. This class we are going to learn the new topics, metric measures, that is length, weight and volume. This topic is very important, not very important. You can add any number of V, okay, very important. Once the basic is clear, then it is not only for your school time, okay. After finishing your schooling, even if you are not going to work in the government, or even if you are working in the private, or if you are going to be a mason, you know what is a mason, right? The masonry, the person who build the buildings, or if you are going to be a carpenter, or if you are going to be a shopkeeper, all wherever you go, this topic is very important, better you learn nicely. So, here we are going to convert how it is going to be. Let us see. Metric measure for length. Smallest unit of length is millimeter. Still micromillimeter, if you go higher classes, that is different, but as of now you learn which one, millimeter. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. W means what? Millimeter. Next which one? 10 centimeter equal to 1 decimeter. Decimeter. 10 decimeter equal to 1 meter. Okay. Next, 10 meter equal to 1 decameter. 10 decameter, 1 hectometer. 10 hectometer equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, children. Okay. So, this is the basics. 10 millimeter, you have to be thorough of this, then you can go further, otherwise you cannot. 10 millimeter, close the, I will give within a few minutes you have to buy out. 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeters equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeters equal to 1 meter, 10 meters equal to 1 decameter, 10 decameter 1 hectometer, 10 hectometer 1 kilometer. Suppose if you go for, this is for length, for weight. For weight, everything same, slight changes, only that much. 10 millimeter, length is measured in the terms of meter, right? So, weight we can, what is your weight? My weight is 20 meter, can you say? You cannot, right? So, meter is different, length is different, weight is different, okay? For weight, 10 milligram. 10 milligrams equal to 1 centigram. G stand for, what is it? G stand for gram. Next, same thing, 10 centigram is equal to how much? 1 decigram. 10 decigram is equal to 1 G stand for 1 gram. Next, 10 gram, 1 decagram, 10 decagram, 1 hectogram, 10 hectogram is equal to 1 kilogram, 1 kg we say, right? That is 1 kg is equal to how much? 10 hectogram. Now, another one, length, weight, next volume. Again same thing, 10 milligram here, right? So, volume we cannot say gram, volume we say which one? Liter, right? 10 milliliter is equal to 1 centiliter. 10 centiliter is equal to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliter equal to 1 liter. Next, 10 liter equal to 1 decaliter. 10 decaliter, 1 hectoliter. 10 hectoliter is equal to 1 kiloliter. Okay, this is very important basic points. If you know this one, for this, which one you can be a which one, for carpenter you need this one length, is or no, or for mason also you need this one, for weight measuring, which one if you are running the which one shop dukan you need this one, and again here also same only dukan needed. So, these are the basic points. I will give 1 minute's time to copy down all of you. Now, we are going to convert conversion. Now, how we may have a doubt, in 1 kilometer how many meters are there? Confusion, whether 10 meter or 100 meter or 1000 meter or 10,000 meter, having problem, right? If you have this chart with you, it is very easy. 1 kilometer, okay, before that, to convert the bigger to small, bigger unit to smaller unit, what you have to do is multiply. Bigger to small, you have to multiply. Small to big, small to big, what you have to do? Divide. These points you have to keep in your mind. Bigger to small you have to multiply, small to big you have to divide. Now, I want to know, I am going to convert 1 kilometer to meter. Clear? This is what I am going to convert. How to convert? Kilometer here, kilometer is bigger, am I right? Meter is small. Kilometer to meter, kilometer come here. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, how many? 1, 2, 3, right? Sorry, here, right? Not here, here. 1, 2, 3. How many tens are there? There are 3 tens. Bigger to small, what you are going to do? Multiply. So, how all the 3 tens you multiply? 10 into 10 into 10. How much? 10 tens are 100, 110, how much? 1000 meter. Understood? In 1 kilometer, how many meters are there? 1000 meters are there. Do you understand now? Kilometer is bigger, meter is smaller, bigger to smaller you have to multiply. Suppose if you are going to which one? Convert into bigger to smaller to big, meter to kilometer. How to convert? Smaller to big, what you are going to do? Divide. 1 meter is in 1 meter, how many kilometers are there? You are going to convert 1 meter to kilometer, you are going to, what you have to do? Divide. Divide by, again same thing, 1, 10, 10, 10. Now this much kilometer. Do you understand now? Okay, children, go through all of you this one. It will be work for length, which one? Volume also, liter and gram also, it will be work same only. Keep in mind, bigger to small you have to multiply, smaller to big you have to divide. Right first, right first. Now we will do this, at least 1 or 2 questions we have to do, so that it will be easy for you. Or you want to do little more conversion more? Okay, we will do one more conversion. Suppose you are going to divide millimeter to meter or meter to millimeter. Meter here, millimeter here. How many tens? Same way. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. That is 10 into 10 into 10. Meter is bigger, isn't it? Millimeter is smaller. So we are going to multiply. How much? 1, 2, 3. Millimeter. Do you understand? Suppose we are going to convert millimeter to meter. Okay, children. Now millimeter to meter, how to convert? Same. Again same, multiply, that is divide. How much? 1 by 1000 meter. So 1 in 1, understood? So these are things go through. Next, let us go to question time 1. Question time 1. 9 kilometer to meter. 9 kilometer to meter. Just now we learned kilometer is bigger, meter is smaller. So bigger to small. Bigger to small, what you have to do? Yes, recall what you have to do? You have to multiply, right? So 9 kilometer, 9 into how many meters equal to 1 kilometer? Just now you learned, right? How many meter? Yes, 1000. Yes or no? Quickly. 10 meters equal to 1 decameter, 10 decameters equal to how much? 1 hectometer, 10 1 kilometer. So 10 into 10, 100, 110 thousands, right? Okay. Now how much? 9 into 1000, 9,000 meter. So 9 kilometers equal to how many meter? 9,000 meter. Now second questions. Go to the question number B. That is 1A, that is 1B. What is the 1B tells? 5 meter to centimeter. 5 meter to centimeter. Yes, 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeters equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeters is equal to 1 meter. Okay. Now, meter to centimeter. Meter is here, centimeter is here. How many tens are there? There are 2 tens, right? So, 5 into, because meter is bigger, centimeter is smaller. Understood? So, 5 into how many? How many centimeter? 10 into 10, 100. 100 centimeters equal 1 meter. So, 100. 5 into 100 how much? 500. 500 centimeter. Understood? Next, go to question number 2. Question number 2. All of you read question number 2. A boy travels 14 kilometer 300 meter by bus, 5 kilometer 500 meter by taxi. Find the total distance travelled by him. Question number 2. A boy travelled 14 kilometer 300 meter by bus. Distance travelled by bus. How much kilometer he is travelling? 14 kilometer 300 meter. 14 kilometer 300 meter he is travelling by bus. Now, distance travelled by taxi. How much? 5 kilometer 500 meter. 5 kilometer 500 meter at 0, 0, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 4, 9. So, total distance. See how much? 19 kilometer, 19 kilometer, how much? 800 meter he travelled. Okay. Okay. Now, let us go to the next exercise. 1 or 2 questions we will quickly. Our time is almost gone. Okay. Question time 2. 1 tells convert 8.5 kg. 8.5 kg into G for means gram. Kg to gram. Kg, kilogram is bigger unit, gram is smaller unit. So, how to convert? Same thing here in place of meter, kilometer, right? Kilogram. Is that no? It's just same. 8.5 kg. 8.5 into, look, how many grams equal to 1 kilogram? 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. 1000. So, 8, 5, no need of multiple, just add the 0, all the 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But after the point one number, right? So, right to left one number. So, how much? 8,500, 500 gram. That is the questions answer, right? Now, we will do one more questions and we will stop. Next, 3 gram to into centigram. 3 gram into centigram. In place of meter, gram. Same only, right? So, how many grams equal to, how many centigrams equal to 1 gram? Yes, 10 into 10, 100, right. So, 3 into 100 centigram. 3 into 100 how much? 300 centigram. Is that now? Okay. Okay, children. Today, we in 3 periods, I could do the maximum. The first period we have learned about perimeter, right? What is the meaning of perimeter? Then perimeter of the rectangle, perimeter of the square, and perimeter of the triangle formulas all we will learn, right? Perimeter of the rectangle, which one? 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of the square, 4 into side. If it is equal to a triangle, perimeter 3 into side. Next, area. We also learn what is the meaning of area. Also, we learn how to find the area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Also, we learn area of the square, that is side into side. Then after that, we have done some problems of different exercise. That is one chapter. Chapter 16 was over. Next, we went to chapter 17, metric measures length, weight, and volume. There we have learned how to that metric unit. 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter, 10 centimeters equal to 1 decimeter, 10 decimeter 1 meter, 10 meter 1 decameter, 10 decameter 1 hectometer, 10 hecto 1 kilometer. We have learned. Also, we learn about volume, 10 that is length, right. Then weight also we learn, liter also we learn. Yes or no? Also, we learn how to convert from one unit to another unit. If a bigger unit to smaller unit, you are going to multiply. Smaller unit to bigger unit, you are going to divide. All those things we will learn. I hope I make you understand. I believe you have learned a lot. Let's see next class. Till then, see you.